low RPM. Gotta get at least another 3-4 flights in.
We've got 38 minutes before sunset.
And then we got another 20 minutes after sunset.
Afterglow. It's gonna be a boring sunset today.
Yeah, there's no clouds. There's clouds over there, so maybe those will be cool.
Maybe, but I don't think those get under this angle. You can see how bad the wheels are because of the rattle.
Sounds cool in the twin exhaust.
The exact same setup.
Yep. Twin exhaust has a little bit more roar.
Takeoff flaps.
Alright, you ready?
I gotta turn around first.
I'll take it. Alright, you wanna go first your head?
China cleared.
Take off flaps.
Flaps up.
They all sounds all like one.
Gear up.
Alright.
Alright, you wanna get on it?
Go.
No.
I'll be behind you.
It's really far away with the glasses. I can't see it. No. Stop it.
I'm gonna come down one.
Okay.
Fiery butt.
I did, I heard it. Oh wait, that's the new pack, huh? That's my pack? Yeah, it sounds good in there.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yeah. You think they're about the same?
I haven't really gotten on it. I got on it a couple times. You're faster for sure.
Yeah, it sounds good with this 40 seat. I put it off, it sounds cool. I'm pulling back around. I can feel that the batteries are lighter.
Yeah.
I'm having to use less elevator to get around
Right.
the loops. I'm going off the right now. God, when you do low pass, you have to stay really low or up to go over. God, I'm going to come low down when it's over.
Okay.
These are broken in, right?
No, they're good. Don't worry about it. This is way below what they can do.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
These setups pull less than 60 amps. So they're not bothering these batteries at all.
God, I can hear the roar in there. That sounds so cool. Let me get you up. Come on! DJ Guniac burner.
Oh, you're gonna pass me here.
Yeah.
That thing's quick.
Finky!
That plane's fast.
I'm still on it.
Go.
on it?
No, I'm off.
Time remaining 1 minute.
You may want to lay back a little bit. I heard it sagging. You've been on it for almost the whole flight.
Time remaining 48
You.
I'm sagging?
Yeah, it was sagging a little bit on that last pass.
Yeah. I kind of hurt too, I didn't know. Yeah, I saw it slow down a little bit.
Thing is screaming. That plane is so fast.
What, this
Yeah, yours. I'm coming in.
Gear down.
I guess I'll come in too. I got
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Oh, I have the flicker on. Didn't even realize it.
30 seconds.
Oh, mine's flickering right now. Can't really see it.
Landing flaps.
I haven't even tried landing anything with flaps yet.
You don't really need to. It just kind of makes it drop funny.
I know.
The last minute.
When you lose speed, it just
Yeah, it
drops.
just drops.
Oh, sink. Holy
I'm
sink.
just gonna roll.
Look at that. I left.
Flaps up.
Yeah. Don't hurt the gear.
It's nose wheel's so off, it wants to go far left.
10, 9, 8, 7,
That's good.
And they're trying to tail you.
6, 5,
Listen to that. Whew. Oh God! Don't no.
Nah, you too.
Ha!
Not sitting low enough. You might have on to. You pushed and I steered.